I am the earth, your home, your mother. Once I was full of life. But slowly greed entered, my trees were cut, my rivers poisoned. Can you hear my cry? The forests are falling silent. But one small heart spotted me and listened. A child reminded everyone. And now trees were planted, rivers cleaned, plastic refused, and love returned. Remember, I'm your earth, your future is my future. Together, let us create a green tomorrow.
Because the voice of earth is the voice of your future. I will care for the earth. I will save waters.